Hey guys, it's Aaron Evans from Blue Star Ford in Simcoe. We're just doing our drive-through Wednesday here. This is a 2018 F-150 XLT 302A Sport. What's a little bit different about this truck is we've put a 3.5-inch ready lift kit on the truck. We've got a set of 33-inch tires with a little bit different aftermarket rims. Also some nice painted to match fender flares. We'll give you a quick outside look at the truck, but really wanted to tell you how nice it is to drive. Very smooth, doesn't feel wavy going down the road, lots of handling, very tight. Drives like a regular pickup truck, just sitting up a little bit higher. This one here is Oxford white in color. It's a Sport, like I had mentioned, so you've got your nice floor shifter here on the floor. We've got a rear sliding window. We've even optioned this one up with the Kicker sound system, which is a subwoofer and amp behind the rear seats. We've got nav, we've got running boards, we've got the 5-liter V8, just a really nice all-around package. So like all of our 5-liter V8s, this truck has a 10-speed automatic transmission. What's different about our transmission is it's non-sequential, and what that means is it'll actually shift up through the gears, but it does not have to hit every gear. So if we're going a very slow speed, you can see it going from 1 to maybe 3rd to 5th, up to 8th, depending on which gear the transmission thinks it needs at that time. It works exactly the same on the way down. Again, will not go 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 if it doesn't need to. Really neat characteristics of our non-sequential 10-speed automatic. Now, one of the things we don't talk about often are the drive modes on these trucks. On the side of my shifter, I have a DM button, which is drive modes. We've got normal, we've got tow, we've got weather, which is snow really. We've got an eco, and we've got a sport. My favorite being sport. What it'll actually do is hold your gear a little bit longer through the gears, and it'll rev match you on the way down. Kind of a characteristic that they take from the Mustang GTs. Works really well, and it kind of wakes up the transmission a little bit.